loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds.
Now, this can be said once one should normal quarter. I
Anyway,
I know it's okay. This we can go in the world. Probably this
nice to
of course, some contract and a car. And no contractor no in feed free site. And I'm a coffee delays.
Abujafo, Meshia Munyama Makwaba. Endra and Ayura John Darega Dramani Mahama. A choir inspection on the ongoing construction of the Ofankor road. Eyaka Kwambia Sebio Enchebia na Aji Dimpai Ogana Maimwenam said na car kwano asay apetie afa. Na Yajina Beka say Enchebia video beda bontna nature says a car kwane a congested a lot of traffic enam kwano said ye asia faso asay. Yang video no said na car kwane city ye ba na yatwaso.
Clearly, this is going to result in traffic congestion, and the build-up is going to be crazy. So I think we can go to the grounds now and speak to Philip. He's somewhere around the Kuntunse area. Let's find out what the situation is there. Hello, Philip. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, and thank you to our viewers as well, and also Chris Carter. Today I'm joining you live from the grounds on the Ofankor Nsawam Highway, specifically at Kuntunse. You know, this road situation has been in the news for a very long time. The residents along this road have embarked on a number of demonstrations to ask the government to fix the road. The road is a 33.4 kilometer stretch on both sides, which spans from Ofankor through to Nsawam Junction. And when you are coming from Ofankor to somewhere Pokwase, the road has been fixed. There's more trouble. But the problem starts from Pokwase through to Nsawam. And you can see behind me heavy duty vehicles or long trucks heading towards Nsawam. And if you are thinking of going to work today, or you are coming back from home, I'm sure people in this community often would have to use alternative roads, because not just the fact that the road is in a deplorable state. Now the bigger problem is that now that the rains are in, it's brought a big of problem on this road. Vehicles that ply the stretch are not able to freely move along or on the road, coupled with the fact that a number of the heavy duty vehicles or the long trucks are broken down, which is causing gridlock on the stretch. Yesterday we saw a video on social media where people were complaining because there was a downpour, and the Satellite Junction side, which is ahead of me, is where another problem is. And you can tell from where we are standing right now at Kuntunse that the vehicle or the heavy trucks cannot easily move, because the satellite part of the road is in a very deplorable state, which is having a toll on vehicular movement here on the stretch. Nana, where I'm standing is one of the footbridges of this project on the project, specifically at Kuntunse. I'll move down to the road proper, where we would have conversation with some of the drivers, residents, people who stay around all that, to find out from them what really the issues are and what challenges they are facing on this road. You can see in the shots there, it's so clear that these individuals are bearing the brunt of a very deplorable road.
But Philip,
the road minister has given. Yeah, you.
Sorry, Philip. Just before you go, I mean, this footbridge is high up, but I don't see any guardrails on the other side.
Come again?
I'm asking about the metal railings that serve as protection for pedestrians on the footbridge. What has happened to
exactly?
them?
So even with the construction of the footbridge, they aren't done. You know, the project has stalled for some time. It has stalled for months, and the residents here are complaining that this project should be completed. So some of the footbridges you would see along the stretch have been completed. Others say 50 to 60% complete. Others totally not completed. And it's also another problem on the stretch. You know, the project has about 10 to 15 footbridges and also an interchange at Amasaman. Another one to underpass also at Nsawam, and another one to at Ofankor. So we are monitoring all these things to see whether what the government said that is going to be done on this project, whether it's ongoing or not. You know, the contractors have also been complaining for a number of times that this particular project has stalled because of finances. And if we are looking at it from that level, they are asking that the government makes available some funds. The question is, the government has stated that it has made available about 400 million Ghana cedis for the payment. But the question is, has the money gotten to the contractors yet? If yes, we would have to find out from the contractors. If no, we will still have to find out from the contractors. But we are walking down the footbridge.
And this is car kwan we ought to say car kwan na say pa and I major road omo person omonko kan from Kumasi to Accra, and from Accra to Kumasi kwan we so and omofa na enra yewura Mahama eko make comment bi ewo construction site ho concerning say osi obi adisika to say the former administration no awie sika bi on that road yenko nkonko tie Nsawam Mahama kaya. We want to bring you the evidence of the fact to say Mahama has disgraced himself again. Enti janto base ne nti Nsawam Mahama kaya na iwia watie de Asenso Boakye enso ekaya. Me wi ana me the document a kire na wahu nipa kora odi draw e this issue of this road. Yento aso na yemra sisia.
Challenges with this contract affect a huge number of commuters because of the heavy traffic that passes through here. And so we were quite concerned about the complaints that were coming from the traveling public. And so we are happy to see that the traffic is flowing. But what I say to contractors is, yes, we know you have work to do, but one of your duties too is site management, to make sure that your work does not impede the flow of traffic. So you must make adequate arrangements so that even while you're working, you are creating the conditions for traffic to flow. I can understand what happened. A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds. You know, so that's something that we need to find out. What really happened? How come the loan that was taken was not enough? Was it that the estimate for the project was not done properly, or what happened? But I can see that drivers are happy now, and I hope that from now till when you finish the project, you maintain a smooth flow of traffic even as you're working, so that you don't impede the flow of traffic. So we'll hold you to your word. You say by end of second quarter next year, it should be finished. Okay, so after the exhaustion of the current payment that has been made, would it be enough to finish, or is there a supplementary payment?
Well, as the Honorable said, we still have some more money left in the contract, to pay the contractor. So I believe that maybe in the course of time we will probably raise another certificate, and that should be able to take us to the end of the project.
Okay, what we've done is, like I instructed the minister, we've moved this contract onto the Big Push program, and enough provision has been made for the Big Push projects. Yeah, this year we have about 14 billion cedis, and next year we have another 30 billion cedis. So I think that there will be sufficient resources to keep contractors going. So as government commits to pay you well, you too must commit to move faster on the road and also use quality materials. One of the major problems with road contractors in this country is the quality of material. And so you build the road, after a short while, the road starts to deteriorate. And so, I mean, your company is one of the well-known road construction companies in Ghana. And so we hope that this will be a mark of the quality of your brand. And so, thank you very much.
In 2 years, Yura Mahama, Eka, now he's alleging, say, the past administration, no, akwachibusiam bi adi ho esika enam saasunti e wo se ene ono na ban no ensan kope busiam foforo na on fama yeden eme supporto na yentimi enwie ka kwan no na munim say that the past administration no the former minister of road ayefene Yewura Asenso Boakye bantama MP ete se Mahama ka asemu ya no diam dika ba bonten ebe kire mo se eya ne se nyama Yewura Mahama no ankasa no the handing over note no nyama wantumi amirivini yi anase wanya minister bi ma minister rankan de ewo mu yi ankire no na Mahama is actually misleading the public enti no Yewura Asenso Boakye ede nkyerɛkyerɛ mu baaye na yenti Yewura Asenso Boakye wi a na me the document e kyerɛ de e ka no kore wa asenwe mu no ede a kyerɛ wo na wo nso no wanya wo ho adwenkyerɛ yento asomra sisia
ina wo ho ene Ghana president akoka bibi kakra dia fa pokwasi interchange no emso akyerɛkyerɛm na oka bibi em se anya ode papa amo atro bibi efa reaction asem na nkasa wankasa se kakum no ye gye no kwaku ankasa anum Ghana fo tio asanteman ne bantama fo bia so e wo angel so die na na opesa oka e fa ho kan ye nyina ntia se fiko e wo ha
yo episode ne o ma panyini ko hwe project bi a eye enele kufu ado aban e na sha ase a ye friend no Ofankor Nsawam road just Ofankor Nsawam road no ye bim abam SC interchange wo so the be ya usi so enche no du Nsawam so the be ya ti the fasten ye concrete very easy amai omo musro mu nyina ne omo fa masi omo krom wo Ghana for na nyina no be easy ama omo it's a project na project is super na the cost of the project here is $6.4 million and I buy a try so the year project we na I buy kwaji loan $100 billion from Afro-Exim Bank. So the support to project. Project cost was about free buy. It from January, I got July. Now contractor free sites. Then president project in fashion or cassette. We continue loan no see a big project na loan no see can answer na so see a new project na then a ban sir na say we ankasa na finance minister aka ho asem da and a road minister so aka ho asem da no mo so say so mo asem na eka
very well
and me chemu say entisa na size loan e kwaji en yan kwaji say ye the entire project no yes support aha because project here 140 million let's kwaji loan 200 million I say 8 million eti ni wo sika ye no ho payment you have send the amount 200 million ye kwaji yes get and to say that part of the contract is a settlement of Ghana budgetary allocation in the DTS economy. And you know, make us as a set of buying of economy because people are buying a water and car. Here I'm a contractor no because at the time you free a demo contractor was so it's different and for me my money good briefing. One man finance minister road minister na so we training we say that $10 million in the Koji Free Afro Bank, it wasn't to complete it, not stop it. If the higher government of Ghana budget allocations, no, and I say buy this canon, but the mark contract and no age.
Mama actually knows say the handing over note on Troy no, Momo Troy nina clear. Musteti categorically clear say when I'm
no, President Jomia the minister say action.
But at least issue public statement on any item and be possibly an essay with me some know-how of a kind.
Exactly. Exactly. And I'm awesome. I'm
saying delay no. Hello.
Sir.
What I'm saying delay now a course so now man for company o si kwana so fi cycle now ba obedun sound pa na so many hours no spend it. Me gidi yes na ma ono so ka bibi sa o hwe I say show the work bi na bi a ekoso na hwe a e bi ankofo diska ene de keka ho sa de say etasi
na diska dia say once one show normal quarter I hold
anyway
I know there if okay this we can go in go to be this dia
na say you say of course some
contract and car and no contractor no in free site no and I'm a delay because it's a critical road. That's a fast one. That work a crabby and who's running doors. So, the buy, you know, Yamakopes the Kakama contractor and a contractor no a cost site. And Chassis a woman, and you'll be an edisi cap. More attitude towards contractors. I went to Yomoka and I got a problem in our buy.
Yes, I'll be an a cost.
And two teachers more Asenso Boakye ede ba ye ya na etre say eyuda Mahama mom and when ya the right what them call document ankan and I say one kind document anka say because bra we heard picture we heard was screaming so 750 million Afrisem facility where you posting Ghana buying according to 2022 edi free ex Afrisem bank ho say the kwakoye project ahodo bi now here Ofankor project no Ofankor Nsawam road no they actually say 200 million US dollars and they koye say adwuma no every so Korongo road $75 million and they koye say adwuma no and he say if you take it clear and look at what Mahama said that he was misleading the public where evidence based something document we kita me parliament Hansard and amedi chire we na meda was so nya adagye na wutie me nema me wo ma we na meso se bomodren na chire wadwen e wo comment section box so na subscribe na fa unsa esi adoma no so na beka Rice Media abusuako no makra